Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you of my class 10th students. Now here I am Manoj Mishra of your computer teacher and from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, in previous video you know that we have learned about inserting header, footer, formatting the things, and now in this video we are going to working with the styles, that how to work with the styles, what is the styles, what are the styles in the Word document. Actually we are going to learn that how to. First of all, click on the start button. Here is the start, should click start button, and when you have click on the start button you can see here is the all program. When you have click on the all program, you will find the Microsoft Office. Click on the Microsoft Office option. Here is you will find the Word 2007 and click on the Word 2007. Screen window will be opened. You can see here there is a lots of options, you know well. So now here we are going to work with the styles. So first of all we should know that what is the style. Style refers to a set of formatting commands such as font, font size, bold, underline, text color. Dear students, you know well that how to work with the font style, how to work with the fonts, how to increase the font size, and lots of things you have learned also. So how to do the task we will learn. So first of all, now I am going to type the text here. Whatever the text you want to insert, then first type the text. I am going to type as a formula is equal to RND and as the start bracket and close bracket, and press the enter button. We have pressed the enter button and we can see that here is the on the insert tab the galleries include and lot of here is the 3 paragraphs. You can see here is the 3 paragraphs here. So first of all, dear student, we are going to applying built-in style. What is the built-in style and how to apply the things? So first of all, let's perform the following steps to apply the style to same selected text, and select the text to which you want to apply this text style. So according to the paragraph, according to the book, this is saying that you should follow the steps to complete the task. So first of all, the saying that select the text. Whatever the text you want to select the text to which you want to apply the styles. So first of all, I am selected these texts for applying the styles. So click the more button under the styles group. This is the style group. You can see this is the style group and here is the more option, and you will find the lots of option here like that. And next we will find the so the quick style gallery appears. This is the quick style gallery actually, and you can also click these things to use the options like that. And when you have click on the things, so you will found this one. This window is the more style option. Now select the style that you want to apply to the selected text. In our case we have selected the heading 1. So you can see here this is the style format. This is the normal, no special, heading 1, heading 2, whatever. Suppose that we have selected the heading 1, then we will find that this actually these texts are converted with the heading 1 format and all the texts are like that. Okay, so now the selected style is applied to the selected text. You can see here. And now you can apply style in the selected text by using the style task pane, and you can open the style task pane by clicking the dialog box launcher under the styles group of the home tab. So whenever you want to apply the things, you will find in the home tab. This is all the tools are available for enhancing the appearance of the text and the backgrounds also. So if you want to enhance the style of the text, then you can apply the things. Okay, so next one we are going to create a new style. How to create a new style? So according to the book, you can see to select the text whose formatting you want to make style. Suppose that this text, this text I want to apply for a more of to make a style here, and click the more button. Here you will click the more button under the styles group. You will found the more button is here, and here you should select the save selection as a new quick style. Here is the option save selection as new quick style. You can see in the video, dear students, and here you will select the quick style option. When you have click on this option, you will found that there is the style one. Suppose that you want to click, you want to add as a style. Style, suppose that 11 you want to write, then you can type the type 11 or my style, whatever you want to change, you want to add the new style, then you can. Suppose that I have created the my style. Okay, this is the paragraph to preview style 1 as, and click the OK button. When you have typed the text, then click the OK button. So this is as a my style, you can see. So if you want to apply the things, suppose that you want to apply the my style on this, so you will click on the my style option. You can see there is the my style option are applied. Okay, so by this way you can create your own style, own new styles, whatever you want. Next student, we are going to modifying a style. Suppose that we have added this new style and want to modify. Want to modify means I want to change the style name also. Then you can go and here, and there is the modify option. So whatever the paragraph you have selected, suppose that there is the character, paragraph, whatever the things you want to modify, you can, no problem. And I want to tell you that you can directly click on the right click here and directly modify the things. That how can you do? So you can bold, you can apply the underline. Okay, you can apply the center option, and you can apply the lots of here is alignments option you can apply. And next apply, suppose that you want to apply the normal heading style, then you can. And here is also normal. Here you want to change the font also, so you can apply the fonts and click on the OK button. You can see here is applied the text, apply the styles, whatever you have modified, then the appearance will be changed according to your modifications. Okay. So dear students, we are going to change predefined style, set, color and font. Now the things that you want to apply the change, the colors, the font style and the things also, then how can see. Now we have selected the text, whatever we want to change the style, color and words. So click here the text color. Here you will find the lots of colors. Suppose that whatever the colors you want to apply, we have click on this. And want to increase the size also, so there is the minimum 8 and this one is maximum 72. So whatever the font style you want to change, you should select. Okay, suppose that we have selected the 20. And also this option is growing the font, and this is shrink the font, means increasing and decreasing the font one steps. So whatever you want to change, you can, no problem. Here is the bold option. You know well that when you have clicked the text, so there is the type text are looking normal, but when we have clicked the bold option, you can see that the all letters have changed in the bold style. And also you want to apply the italic. Italic means the italicize the text, so you can italic, this is the italic format. And if you want to use the underline option, here is the options of the underline. Actually you want to double underline, this is the dotted underline, and whatever most of underlines, more of underlines you can found here. Whatever the underlines option you want to apply, we have selected the double underline. You can see with the text color appearance, this will change as a double underline. Okay. Next one is the font style. Suppose that you want to change the font style of the things, so here is the font style. Fonts are here. Whatever the fonts you want to apply, you can directly click on this and click on the font. Suppose that we have selected the font style like that, so this will apply it. Okay, next we have selected the. Okay, so dear student, you can see in here that lots of criteria we have selected. One thing I want to tell you that you should select the line, and you want to change the line spacing option, then you can directly change the line spacing here. Here is the line spacing, you can see. Click on this and use the line spacing minimum, whatever. Click the line spacing option. Here is you will found the after is 10 pt. After means ki line after the spaces na. So you can minimize, you can decrease the font line spacing as a 0 point, and click on the OK option. Then you can see there is the minimum line spacings are here and lines are increased. Okay, so as it is, we are going to see that creating a document based on template. Suppose that this is a new document, this is a new blank document, but you want to create the documents as a it is new and you want to apply the suppose that the given formats are here, recent documents. As you want to open the documents, I want to say no. Here we will click and Microsoft Word. Here we will find the Word options. Let's just play it with the new option. Yeah, here is the templates. Installed templates are here, you can see. So there is the new blog post, there is the equity facts. Dear students, you should click on the okay, so here is the equity facts, is the equity merge facts, equity letter. Most of you can found here, most of templates are here. Whatever templates you want to apply, select the templates first and click on the create button. You will found that here is the automatic created the templates here. You can directly type the things whatever you want, and like that you should use the template means already ready-made designs. Okay, so by this way, dear students, we have created the documents, we have learned about the documents, how to create the things, and in next video we will come with the creating online templates and more of things. So thank you so much for watching the video, and continuously watch the video. Lots of video will come. Okay, thank you.